In this video, we'll show you how to create an account on the app and sign in. Launch the app by clicking the icon, and then click the menu icon in the top left of your screen. Select Settings at the bottom of the menu, and then click Sign In under User Account. If you already have an account, type in your email and password and click Sign In. If you're not signed up to our app yet, click Create an Account. To create an account, type in your email and choose a strong password. Once you have filled these out, click Sign Up. Once you have created an account, you will receive a confirmation email to validate your account. Once you have validated your account, you're ready to go. Click the menu icon to explore the app. You can buy tickets, plan and save your favourite journeys, see real-time bus information and much more. Visit your app store and download our new and improved app today.